I actually really like about video games when I was secondary, so I decided to become a game developer. I searched on Google and I found the diploma of the MAGES also. I checked out the review, it's good. And I decided to go visit for open day and I found that I like it. Actually, I find a diploma that is like the faster way to get it. And MAGES only use 1 year and then I can get a diploma. And also, I would like to have a teacher that's maybe a patient and can focus on every student. MAGES have done a really good job for this because teacher really can put effort on each of a person. I think because of a less student compared with other place, it's not mean not good. It just have more time and energy to focus on every student. I think it's very good. It made me look in a certain area to think, how can I make it good? How can I make it better? It's really good. And another thing is, school also provide the chance of go to an exhibition. So we actually took a look of many individual studio, like the small studio, indeed, to have a look of the idea, and it give me a lot of game reference and idea. Maybe say, if we compare with my secondary school, teacher won't give up on you because he will just like encourage you to keep going because you're choosing this course, right? You need to have a responsible for this also. And also, lecturer also give as much patience as possible compared with my secondary school teacher. I mean,